Hi, in this video we're going to discuss changing aircraft status in Obama's DCS. To change the passenger status, you should click on the Change button, which is located next to the status column. The passenger status is set to OK by default. We can change this attribute by choosing our desired status. The first status we can set is Standby, which means that the passenger is temporarily not allowed to check in. As can be seen, standby status has different priorities. From earlier, we already had 3 passengers with the standby status. Therefore, the system automatically registers the 4th priority. Choose 4 as your desired priority and write a description, then click the Submit button. As can be seen, this passenger has been assigned 4th in priority with the standby status. If we want to check on a passenger, the system alerts us that there are passengers with higher priorities. In this case, it asks us if we're sure before we check them in. You can choose yes or no. As can be seen, by clicking yes, the passenger status is updated to checked. The next status we can assign to passengers is the Deny Check-in option. We can add a description and then click the Submit button. As you can see, the system has turned off the passenger name, and you cannot check in the passenger. Only specific users with special access can restore the status of the passenger to OK again. Restoring the status will make the passenger condition normal for the check-in process. The next status is Exchange. The exchange status is for passengers who have changed their tickets and have been issued new ticket numbers. Add the new ticket number here. Complete a brief description. Now, click the Submit button. As can be seen here, the passenger status is changed to Exchange, which means the passenger has changed his or her ticket. This is used when we have 2 flights with the same flight route but different scheduled times, and a passenger wants to change his or her desired flight. The next status is POR. Write the number of the flight which is in the same route with the current flight, for instance 2998. In this situation, you can change the passenger status to POR if the airline and stations agree with it. Enter a description and then click the Submit button. The passenger is no longer on this flight's list. Now go to flight 2998 and search the passenger's name here. As you can see, the passenger has been transferred from the previous flight to this flight with the status POR. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for your attention.